Alright, I'm back. Hello, welcome to the stream. Today's crazy. I'm in a terrible mood, so I'm gonna do no cam. Does that sound good? No cam, Jace. Anyway, welcome to the stream. Just had to move my car, ran back inside. This is more spring cleaning. Let's not wait for the expansion, let's get her done. Entering the stream now. Anyway, how you guys doing? No cam, Jace. How does it look? How does it feel? It's awkward. But that's alright. I'm just sitting in the dark right now. Boring, unsubscribe. Yeah, be sure to hit that unsubscribe button. Fuck this stream, you know what I'm saying? Pocketed, Guy Valor, Bliggity, welcome to the stream. How are you guys? I feel like the time zone change has just mentally fucked me. I don't know if that happens to you guys or not, but like I have been just not happy the last couple of days. I don't know what the hell's happening. I want to blame the time zone change because I don't want to take responsibility for my action. You know? But is that a thing? Or do I just have depression and or ADHD and or all of the above? I don't know. Anxiety? What is it? Anyway, where we left off on this spring cleaning is we were cleaning up our chest, right? And everyone's like, well, Jace, that's like everything's at one chest. I get it. But we're going to continue on making things either better or worse. We're going to find out. Right? Meow. Time zone change, what? Daylight saving? Yeah, daylight saving. See, I don't even know what it's called. Emo Lasher, welcome. Unsubsubbed. Unsubsubbed. Link. Exa. Honk honk. Welcome to the stream. Anyway, we're over here. Can you just imagine what my face looks right now? What are we doing? We're not doing sneaky. We're doing utility. And then sorter. Okay, we left off with multiple scripts, okay? One is a base script called index, and then the other ones would set the variables that we wanted to see. I had a dream that I'm gonna make them all into one again. But I'm gonna let you choose in the script what you want to sort. No, I'm not. Am I? It should just sort them all, no matter what's in the box. You like some subroutine scripts, please? I mean, hell, this is kind of what we got right here, right now. But ideally, let me just, I'm gonna start a new one and we're just gonna say, idea. So my idea is, we do all this index logic, but in a loop. Okay, so like 8 times, you know? And 4. And then if the index is equal to 0, and if we set var, you know, like overhead, we are on music, you know? And then else if its index is 1, we are on archery. Okay, so if I save and play this, we see music and archery. Oops. Okay, so you do play this game, right? Oh my god, I can't even click. Anyway, so as you can see, it's gonna loop through each one. Now, what we could do then is instead of like having a unique script for that shit, we can actually just go back to our idea. And we can clear out the variable, the list. And instead we could do something like this. And instead of playing the main index, we just we just set the items based on where we're in. And ideally, we could just do all the items every time, because does it really matter what box you click on? You know what I mean? So anyway, something like this would let us select the... let me just combine all these. I want to see if this actually does what I think it should do. This is my idea. We're just gonna push all the items here. We're crazy. We crazy out here. Now, do I even need to select the container? Like, does it even matter? If I add them all into one thing, does it even matter? It would matter if I wanted to start pulling items out. Like, let's say I didn't want... Like, I don't... You know, maybe I just want music in here. What am I doing? Demlar, welcome to the stream. Yeah, we don't have an array, but we have lists. Don't forget about lists. And I hate lists, actually. Especially when they get big. Rizzle, 207, welcome. 206 was taken. Not a fan of the way the list is used. Yeah, understand. All right, let me just make sure that this works. Copy. Idea. Do the index logic. Paste. Now this might actually get stuck because I also am referencing the index inside of here in a for each. I don't know. Let's see. I'm gonna hit save and play. Select your music container. Okay, we're just gonna select this top one. Actually, no, let's just click this. There's nothing in there. Select your archery container. We're gonna click it too. Okay. It's gonna loop a bunch of times, but... in theory, we're... I'm not close enough to the thing. Getting a spam call. Darn. John, what's up, dude? How are you? Hiding in the dark right now. Okay, so this is absolutely not setting the things correctly. Oh, because we moved the position based on the list. So this won't work how I thought it was going to work. I was like, why the hell is it moving all over here? Because remember, we update the Y based on... We update the Y based on the list length. So when I have all of the list length... I'm going to stop the script. When I have all the list length here, then it messes it up. So in theory, I only want to set the list based on where we are. Or I set the list... Ooh, okay, wait. I could do all the items, but instead of setting the Y position based on the list, we set the Y position based on the index. Slenderman! Thank you for the raid. Thank you for the raid on the Faceless J stream today. Ain't nobody got time to see this beautiful mug of mine. You have a great stream. Tell me the dates. And John, you bought yourself a PS5 and Final Fantasy VII Rebirth. About to nerd out on it. Nice. Well done. Okay, so my logic of where we're doing the item sorter list length check. By the way, Slayer. There's actually slaying and slayer, so I'm just gonna look for slay. This was a bug I noticed, so I'm fixing that at the same time we're scrolling down here. Let's see. So this right here, where we're setting the Y position based on the index. I'm actually gonna set the Y position inside of... I wonder if we can get away with the Y position based on... Shit. No. Maybe I just need to loop 8 times. Like, I need to loop each list. Maybe I don't need to do this necessarily. Okay. Wait. I think I need to do this. Again, this is just an idea I have. Again, instead of like forcing you to select a box, I'm gonna make you select one box, and then we're gonna loop through all the items. Yeah. Yeah, this makes sense. Let's go. They're gonna say overhead. Select your box. LOL. Alright, I'm gonna hit save. I'm gonna hit play. So it should be select your box. Now we're gonna choose this box right here. Why are you hiding? Because I'm like following the drama related to Kate Middleton or whatever her name is, and you don't know if I'm real or not. I had surgery. I don't want to show my face. I'm hiding. Alright, so now this is correctly putting the drum where the drum needs to be. Is it? It is not. It's not doing what I think it should be doing. It's stacking everything. It's at least updating the Y correctly. Jace loves the Royals gossip 100%. Okay. That's looking good. If Jaseowns saves slang as 1. You know what? I don't think I have save slang set. I'm pretty sure it's just defaulting. Let me... Jesus Christ, Jace. I'm gonna need those variables. They didn't have time to put on his ball cap for us today? Yeah, 100%. I just don't want you to screen capture my angry face. So, I'm just trying to hide. The save supremely and all that save shit, I actually need to incorporate in this script. So, that's my problem. Utility. What did I name this? Spring Cleaning 2024. I'm gonna take all these goodies here. We're gonna put it at the top of the script. And again, as much as I like the idea of having multiple scripts, I don't really want multiple scripts. If that makes sense. Alright, so now if I hit save, it should correctly organize shit. Oops, wrong box, Chase. There we go. Now it's organizing the stuff. Stop clicking shit, stop clicking shit, stop clicking shit, chat disabled. So true. Okay. So these should be... Yeah, greater undead. Okay, so that's a... These should all be slaying. Exceedingly accurate bow. Why is that over there? Exceedingly accurate, lesser... Slaying bow. Why is the bow not erect? Why is the bow not erect? Saves slaying, greater. Wishlist items sorted. The magic bullet. Mullet. Hello. Let's see. Exceedingly. And that should be correct. Save exceedingly. Save exceedingly 1. Am I wasting my time trying to do this into one script? Probably. Mullet by nature. What's up? I know we're talking here and said thanks for thanks for your double dipping. Exceedingly accurate bow. Can you overhead an item in the container? I know we can overhead on the ground. Can we overhead on an item? I don't know if we can do that or not. I'm gonna try. Let's say overhead. Test. 88 item. I don't know if this will work. Save and play. I just want to see if it shows me which item it's trying to grab. Oh my gosh. It does. Kind of. It's in the same... It's in this... Why is it just in the same position? Test should show up somewhere else. Save and play. I wish it was over the item. Making a magic item cleanup script just in time for the magic item lockers to come out. 100%. I'm trying to make the expansion come out sooner. I figured if I could finish this script, share it with the people, then the expansion will come out. Okay, well this didn't help me at all, but at least you can output items in a backpack. That's interesting. I'm gonna comment that out. Interesting. Interesting. ... Also, Also, Jace, we can't see. Sorry, I'll zoom in. We can't see your face either. I'm sorry. I'm in a terrible mood. Let's see. So the fact that it didn't do bows correctly is kind of annoying. I'm gonna say 9 here. Let's just do bows. Save and play. Oh, it's not even getting to bows. Oh, I bet the index is messed up afterward. I bet my double E indexes aren't working because we're using the index down here. I bet this is messed up. Like if I overhead the index here, I bet it's fucked up. I bet it doesn't change. Zero. Oh no, it went to 1. What the fuck, man? Save and play. What the fuck, man? Okay. So it did in fact get it. I must be messing up the script down here then. Oh, you know what? I think I'm unsetting the variable at the end. I am. Because I copied my index file. Here we go. Save and play. Now it should work. Now it's correctly moving the bows. Okay. Crisis averted, guys. Drink some Monster and some Fireball? Yeah. Agreed. Alright, so this should be... Okay, a power bow is fine. I haven't done power yet. He should either be... yeah, monstrous or power. There we go. Greater Beast. Greater Beast. Power. 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 I'm all about the power. Max power! Mining while watching you script is a pretty good vibe. You need some alcohol, though. Get some alcohol, bruh. Okay, so this should... I should be able to now go ahead and add in other items. Index 2, index 3. Let's save there. We're going to go over here to utility. Sorter. Macing. Gonna put all this shit in there. Okay. And then we're gonna load up the item IDs that other guy grabbed. Yeah, this dude got like a lot. Fencing. Dagger, I don't care about. Comment out a dagger. Anyway, you guys having a great day? I'm gonna comment out the shit that I don't know about. Hey Jace, thanks again for the control scrolling the whole item. You haven't had anything stolen from me since? Perfect, man. Congratulations. We were, in your honor, I was trying to do a skill ball giveaway, but you had left. Every day we're with you, Jace, is a great day. Aw, thanks, Bliggity. You're so sweet. You're so sweet, you make me want to puke. Okay, so now I need the swords items. Too many things now. I should probably just take this whole thing. Shit. How you doing, you loot sorting mother scripter? I'm doing terrible, but I'm trying to survive, you know? Just, I'm trying to be here. I'm trying to do my thing. I'm sitting in the dark currently because I don't want to see your guys' face. See my face. And we're just working on shit that's pointless. How are you? Jeez, why are you so negative? Jesus. I don't know, I'm sorry. We'll do wrestling. Training weapons. I don't really care about training. I'm gonna go with that. Don't need those. Making the expansion come out faster, everybody. You know, when it's got a thing in here, it kind of drives me crazy. I like being able to see the item name, but I probably should have just done IDs. Axe, bard, broadsword, cutlass, double axe, executioner axe, giant axe. That's new. I could potentially just leave it in there, but I don't know. Work with you in Batman. Life, dude. Time zone change, or you know, daylight savings change. Something's wrong with me mentally, but I'm here. Ended up buying more skill balls a bit over the last few days, finding out all the 20 you needed. And you got 2 while lockpicking this area. I was like, really? That's awesome, dude. Just straight, my bags are unpacked for permanent residence. My 3-year-olds sleep Regression has decimated your sleep. Rip, dude. Or bag certain, says Sergeant Donut, 100%. I'm trying to finish it off, and I really want one script to do it all. So that's what we're kind of doing right now. I went from I'll let you control it to like I just want to run them all. Like, why am I trying to like click multiple things? Like, why don't we just do it once? You know what I'm saying? But we out here. You know what makes sense is if I put these bad items at the end. Just left them on. That way it actually works with no changes. Yeah, Jace, that makes sense. Oops. Maybe we could just leave them on. Yeah. Yeah, boy. The identified want script works well, but sometimes it just identifies and does nothing. It's kind of weird. Interesting. Your bags are under your eyes, though? Oh, no. I've been gaming the system to fund the skill balls, buying extracts for 3K, converting them to 125 arcane essence, and selling the essence. Holy shit, well done. Infinite money glitch. Ubon. Don't tell us. Someone will automate the process. Until you flood the market, you jinx. Jinx again. Just doing these all. Fuck it. As with any Jaseowns stream and script, we're overdoing it, okay? I probably don't need to do half the shit I'm doing, but we're doing it anyway. Unsubscribe. Putting all the newer shit down here at the bottom of the list. That way, it can still look through them, but it won't actually find anything until they're in there. Okay, almost done. Instruments. We kind of already did instruments, but we'll add in the extras. Why is there a work fork here? Oh, that's fencing. Scrolled up. I zigged when I meant to zag. Fix it up, Chappie. Welcome to the stream. Hashtag it's a no-show Jace today. I think daylight savings time just messes with me mentally. Mentally. I don't get enough sleep or some shit. I don't know. But rah. Kind of just did fencing, so I'm just gonna copy paste that. Boom. Gonna move shit. Bottom. And uncomment it out. Should just be able to right click or hold all that, uncomment. Didn't work. It didn't work. Good try though, Jace. Finish the script so that the expansion comes out already so I can have all the whole dungeons myself, please. Okay, thanks, bye. Same. You need more, you need to sleep more, like no matter how much you get, you probably need more, that's true. Probably. Depression had me not sleeping more than 2 hours a night for like 6 months. Holy shit. That doesn't sound good. Are you sleeping okay now? There's archery, and then fuck, we might as well do these arcane staffs because that dude already went through and did all the work. Good job, guy. You can be held productive, but how much productivity you're gonna get when you can't remember shit? You're doing better except when your son's waking up. True. I get that. So my problem is, like, I'm all gung-ho about a bunch of shit, and then, like, for whatever reason, I wake up the next day, and I either don't remember or don't care about it anymore, you know? It's like... Or I do care about it, but then I don't... I have, like, no oomph. Like, the Godot thing, making a game. Want to do it. Have zero oomph. You know, updating the website. Want to do it. Have zero oomph. I have no clue. Probably. Undiagnosed. Crazy person. We must find the source of the oomph and exploit it. Exactly. The other person was right. 1,600 lines did come. It's true. Yeah, Nalco was right. Nalco's always right. Right, Nalco? He's like, I don't know, I left. No face cam, Jace, I'm turning it off. Oh shit, he's still here. Alright, well, we'll do arcane staffs first. Boom. We'll do archery next. Boom. We'll do fencing after that. Boom. We'll do instruments after that. Boom. You might say, Jace. And we're gonna else if 4. Then we'll do mace fighting. Yeah, this is looking so fly. 5, 6, 7? Question mark? How many more do I got? Majory. Shield. Swordsmanship. And then we still need to do all the armors, but get this out of the way here. Okay, so in theory, this should handle, and then since I have 8, I need to do 4, 9. We start at 0. Okay. So this in theory should sort all this shit on the box we select. Let's see if it works. You're making and it gets to push list through the build variables to iterate over and over again, and then sort shit in your bag. Yeah, so basically we started off with like a basic script to move things, which was the index thing here. And then I was like, oh, I'm gonna like separate it out so that each item can be sorted individually. But now I'm back to like, I just want one script to run all the items. So we're basically going through each of the items. We're looping. See, this is, if you ever see this green text, it's because you have a single quote that's random. We're gonna try to we're gonna cheat the system and just do that. That may or may not work. May fuck it up. At what point will you just edit the code in VS Code instead? Never. Quag. 813 because 812 was taken. Hello. Alright, I'm gonna hit save and play here. We're gonna see if this works. It should go ahead and sort, you know, whatever we click. So I'm gonna click this first one. It looped through all that. Okay, now it's doing, okay. Alright, so far so good. I mean, it's doing what it should be doing. Wow, look how beautiful that is. Now it's going through all these items. Okay, all done. I didn't move the harpoon. Harpoons are, a bladed staff. Do I not have bladed staff here? I don't. Okay. So far, so good there. Now, You know, you want to know what's gonna make me go crazy? Are those the new items from the expansion? Yes, Rip City. So this one will handle the new items as they come out. Hopefully, maybe. We'll see. Okay, now where I'm gonna get wild is like, do I save this for later or do I do it now? I think I'm gonna do it now. But basically, I just want to click play in this button and I want it to open up every chest near me and do the sorting. Okay? So now, instead of me selecting the box, I'm gonna just want to do this because I'm stupid. Wild find type. And then we just need the chests and stuff. So I'm gonna hit save here and we're gonna, I'm sure I have this box already in a script. And I think it's my vendor prompt. I'm just gonna search for prompt. So these are bags. Basically what I want to do is I want to say, wow, find type, all these bags on the ground of any hue, any quantity within a range of 2 as Jaseowns not auto sort container. We can just do sort container. We're gonna comment that out for a second. And I'm gonna scroll down to the end and then say end while. And this should just be crazy. If this works, this is gonna be fantastic. And if it doesn't work, it wasn't meant to be. That's okay. All right, I'm gonna hit Alt M on the keyboard. We're gonna recall back into our house. And it should just start opening boxes and sorting items. Let's see. Save and play. It's stuck on a looping of vine staffs. So my index is not changing. My index doesn't change there. Zero, zero. So it stays 0, 0 each loop. I don't know if I can even do as new index. Oh, it does not like that. Well, shit. Where are you incrementing it? So index is part of any loop. So the problem is it was working fine in 4 because the index starts at 0. But now that I have like this main thing, the index gets lost. So the index gets stuck. So in theory, I kind of need to do a find. Doesn't it make sense to make it a var? It does and it doesn't, because like in this case, I don't care. Basically what I'm trying to do is open up any containers nearby me. Just the index part is a separate object. I mean, I do that down here. So there's another place I use an index, like right here. But this is a for each. Like, what's funny is about the for and the for each works, but a while inside of for doesn't work. So ideally I need to find the type, then go into the loop, and then replay the script. We'll do something like this. If not var exists, script running, Jaseowns script running, set all this shit. If the script running doesn't exist, set all these variables and clear ignore. And then once we found this so far, wow, find type. Auto sort container. So we're gonna say auto sort. Okay, and then we'll say set var this container equal to the auto sort container. Then we'll break out of here. So it finds the first one, then it does this. Then we'll say we're running. And then we loop, loop, loop. I don't want to clear ignore here anymore. I want to open the container. I want to loop all the items. I could just use if for instead of while. Ignore the item. And then we're just going to say replay. If. And if. Okay. And then if the script is running, we want to ignore the container we just looked at. That way it's not found the next time it loops. This is going to be great. You guys, this is going to be so good. We're going to ignore this sort container. Swanson's. Ron Swanson's, hello. I'm going to hit save, I'm going to hit play. This should work. So it's correctly opening the container, but it's only looking for the first item. What did I mess up? Why is it only finding the first loop? Oh, because I'm setting a variable that doesn't exist. This should be good. Save and play. We don't know where to look. Where to look. Onset bar. Jaseowns. Script running. We're going to unset it. If I hit save and play here, it should have unset it. Now if I run it again, it should click all these chests again. Let me close this all down. Click, 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 click. Save, play. Why is it only going through the first loop? What have I done? 4. Four each. N4. N4? Am I missing an N4 here? What the hell's going on? Save and play. There we go. Oh shit, I'm moving stuff. I'm it. The list does not exist. Line 311. Slayer. Item sorter Slayer. Oh, I named it Softly. It's Softly. Come on, fool. Alright, save and play. Alright, so let's move in the books now. We got so many books that's stacking on top of each other. Look at this shit. Hashtag organization. Who's in the chat are winning a landslide tonight? Absolutely. Look at guys, I'm organizing my shit automagically. Look, it's gonna open the next box. Oh my golly gee willikers. I can't pick that item up, it's locked down. It's not gonna be able to move any of this shit because it's locked down. Maybe I should look for lockdown. Oh my god, I could look for lockdown, unlock it, and then oh wait a minute. Wait. Yeah, we're gonna see if it's locked down, release it, and then re-lock it down. Wow. This is gonna cause people so many headaches. I can't wait. Anyway, two's in the chat. Yeah, they're winning. I understand. Funny thing is, Jace could have sorted all this stuff by hand 10 times in the same time he wrote this. I mean, now, you know. It happens. If fine type pie charm as JFK. You're ignored. Do nothing else. Hi, Jace. And all overhead, so sleepy 88. Good choice of colors. Also, yeah, you have a syntax there. Anyway, I want to do this thing where I unlock it if it's locked. This makes sense to my brain. We're gonna go on a quick little side quest. Sorter. New. Lock. Side quest. Okay? Basically, I just want to do an item. So we're gonna say Sapphire test item. Okay? And we're gonna select an item. We're gonna get the label of the test item as description. We're gonna say overhead description. Okay, we're gonna say if locked in. Wait, locked down, right? What is it? Locked down. in description, and if overhead, this is locked down, bro. I'm gonna hit save, I'm gonna hit play. We should see it say this is locked down, bro. Oh my golly gee willikers. I'm not trusting anything that starts unlocking shit in my house. Fair enough. This is just for me. Hellhole just got here. What are we doing? We're going deep. I wish to release this. Oh, people are gonna get worried. I probably can't. I probably won't put this in the script, but I just want to see if this works. Target item. Target test item. Wait for target. I'm gonna hit save. I'm gonna hit play. It should release it. No longer locked down. Then we can move it, and then we can re-lock it down. We're gonna lift test item. Wait, now I want to get the label of test item. Okay, and then we want to say if lockdown in description, and if overhead, it didn't work. Else, lift test item 1. And then we're gonna drop it back in its backpack, which we're just gonna set a variable for that for right now. Set var container to drop into. I'm gonna say greater than info. We're looking in this pouch right here, I believe anyway. Yeah. So this is the container it's gonna drop into. We're gonna drop it into 100, 100, 100, or 0, I guess. Then we're wait 650, and it should automatically lock it back down. We're gonna hit save, we're gonna hit play. Which, actually it's not locked down anymore. Okay, so there we go, lockdown, save and play. Here we go. Script error, get label serial name, line 13. Line 13, what did I fuck up? Description, based. New description. All right, we're gonna do this one more time. Save and play. Click this item. Can you use the interior directory to make sure everything's located or the house sign? Yeah, technically. Survey items. We could do that too from the script, but I digress. Jace got here 4 minutes ago. What are we doing? We're making the best script in all the land. We're organizing items, even if they're locked down. That's what I'm doing. I'm over here making shit happen. Let's say unset var Jaseowns script running. Okay. So we're gonna take this little snippet of code here. We're gonna go back to utility. We're going back to the sorter where you have our IDEA script. If the script's not running, set these variables and clearly ignore. Then we're gonna look for all our containers. We're gonna do all this shit. We're gonna do this. Double click the container to open it. And we're gonna look for the index. We're gonna count the types. Okay. We're doing a get label on it. Before we move it, we're going to need to release it, though. That's what I need to do. So before we lift the item, I want to say if lockdown is in the description, wish to release this, then we're going to target the item. We're going to get the new description. Then we'll do the dropping. Okay. Yeah, home organizer. Yeah, exactly. If the container is locked down, doesn't dropping it automatically lock it back up again? Yes, it does. Yeah, that's why we don't need to worry about relocking it down. Just lifting it and dropping it is going to work. All right, save and play. Here we go. Okay, it's organizing this box right now. It's putting everything in the corner. I'm waiting, like, after each loop. I can probably remove that weight so we don't stand here for no reason. I'm excited when it gets to this pouch, though. We've already organized that box, but it's going to do it again. 45 of them. Can you make the item sort cascading from the center to out for no reason at all? Those are 100%. Aren't your X's and Y values going to be different for each type of box? Technically, you're right. Yes. I think that's why it's fucked up here, because these XYs are different than these containers. Which kind of sucks. All right, here we go. I wish to release this. Look at it go. Look at it. Oh my, you're welcome. You're welcome, pores. if you can't afford a secure chest and you want your shit to be organized, I got you. Kind of. Why are those all getting put in the corner? You can't afford a secure chest. I mean, what do you guys think? Is this looking good? I got a general Outlands question for chat. I've never been in a guild and recently learned about guild favors and some sort of special guild reward systems. Anyone know if that's per person or not? Yeah, it's for the whole guild. So the more perks your guild gets, then the more options you have as a player. And then everything you farm also builds the bar to summon a boss when you're in a guild. So the more people that are in your guild, the faster you can summon bosses. Yeah, so if you're looking to buy like a mount token, you want to make sure you're doing societies. Societies are like quests in Outlands. They're in Prevalia. I'll show it to you in a second. You don't know where to look. Cool, so it went through all my boxes and it sorted them. I'm now so pretty. It should be Beastly or power. Damn it. I didn't actually finish the power and the other shit. Fuck. Shit fuck. Anyway, I'm about to lose steam. Yep. Jaseowns. Allow release item is equal to 1. And we'll end if. We'll set that behind a variable so you guys can choose whether or not you want that to happen. You're the finisher, my ass. Good enough. So true, dude. I started off strong, but fuck this stuff, you know? Yeah, everybody does a tailor. You should do a tailor to take advantage of the meta. Jace, what about using lists? Yesterday you said to avoid them at all costs. I know, I hate lists. I absolutely hate lists. But in order to do this script the way I want to do it, by stacking the items over, I need to use a list in multiple areas. So as much as I say avoid lists for this one, since we're just in our home and it doesn't really matter, that I'm okay with using lists here. But if I'm using a list that's big outside, like in a like trying to loot from a list, I would not do that. Ideally, I just have everything stacked on a single tile. And I wouldn't use lists, I would just use find type with all the items. And if I really wanted to get creative, then I would just need... Wait a minute. Okay, stop bringing up things, I'll hold. Stop it. So technically I need to add in the armor. Shit. I need to do power and vanquishing. Ah. I'm trying to think about how I want to do this. Yeah. You have a new dog? Cool.
Just kidding.
Funny. You're funny. Love you. Yeah. It's all good. No cam stream. Didn't get to see my face. Chase, do you know if the fireplace is one? Do you know if the fireplace is one of the never to return items? That looks nice. Which one? This one? I'm not sure. I assume it's in there. It's a large stone fireplace. I was trying to think, maybe it's a Christmas one. Fossil shuff over here? Fireplace. Barbarian Summer? It's this guy. Barbarian Summer 2022. So I don't think it's coming back. Yeah, limited edition decoration. There's 2 in the Outlands Mall. Says not just a number. 04017. How much are they? $1 million. You're not one of the UO billionaires? Damn, we need to work on that, dude. All right, I'm gonna save what we have so far to the Discord, and then we're gonna do something else. I'm all done with this right now. My attention is gone. Rip-a-rooney, you know? We did good. Spring cleaning. The sorting strip seems to be a long-term project. Yeah, I mean, I'm so close yet so far, you know? Like, I at least got all the items. It's just not sorting some of the like, power and all that shit correctly, but that's all good. Let's go make some money. Control-Shift-O on the keyboard. Where should item go? Right there, bro. Oh, something that people have asked multiple times in the past is like, hey, how do I kick my script off where I left off? You know what I mean? Like, how do I return to a script? So for example, like my recall home script, right? I do this recall home. And then at the bottom of it, I kick off like playing different scripts depending on who I am. So like if I'm on of time, play my utility in-room script. But let's say I wanted to return back to the script afterward. How do you do that? Well, you would have the other script also call this. Well, in my dream of dreams, I was thinking, is there a way that we can dynamically set the script name at the top of the script and then call that other script back once we are done? So for example, when I'm playing the mage bot and I want to re-loot a corpse, is there a way for me to run the loot script and then automatically call the mage bot back or whatever other script I was running? Because sometimes I'm running the mage bot, sometimes I'm running the new mage bot, blah, blah, blah. So what we're gonna do is under here, we have mage bot tamer. This is my new one key that I was working on. I'm gonna actually set this as a string. So we're gonna do remove list. This is gonna be Jaseowns previous script. Okay. And then we're gonna say create list. I wonder if I could just push list. Does push list just do it? I wonder if push list will actually make it. Kind of like how we do like set timer. I wonder if this works. Does this work? Stop. I'm gonna hit play. Nope, the list does not exist. There's an error down there. Just so you guys can see it. I'm spamming it so you guys can see. Anyway, so we're gonna create list. Jason's previous script. Okay. And then this one, I can't necessarily tell you which, like, dynamically know the name of the script, but in my case, I know this is the mage bot tamer. Okay. So if I hit save and play here, this should just run. And now I'm playing this script. Okay. So what I want to do is then also add this into my regular mage bot. And this will be mage bot. And then we'll just overhead mage bot 88. Just so we can know where we are. Then we'll say overhead newer mage bot in 76. Again, if I play this, newer MageBot, things are great. So now, if I Control-Shift-O script, I kind of want to kick this off. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to my Control-Shift-O utility, Control-Shift-O organizer. And at the very bottom of it, we're currently playing Put Crook Away. So maybe out in Put Crook Away, we'll do that. Tamer, Put Crook Away. Tamer, Put Crook Away. Put away Crook? Was I saying it wrong? Anyway, I want to basically say if list exists, this Jaseowns previous thing, I want to say for each my script in Jaseowns previous script and for, and then we can run script my script. Now, I kind of want to run the hotkey, but we'll see if this works. So if I hit save and play here, it should kick us off into the bot again. Save and play. It didn't work. Why not? Oh, is it because previous script, right? Save and play. Am I naming it wrong? I'm probably naming it wrong, Jace. Where is it? MageBot Tamer. No, Jaseowns previous script. I'm gonna do the underscore in there. MageBot. Jaseowns previous script. MageBot. Put Crook away. Where are you? Put away Crook. We are here. Not making it down there. Why not? What the fuck? Can't even play. So it is getting down there. Why is my script doesn't exist? If list exists. Am I using the thing wrong again? I hate lists. There's so much lists that I hate, and here I am using it over and over again. If list exists, list name. Jaseowns previous script. We're gonna go MageBot Tamer. I'm just gonna make sure that it exists between the two of them. Stop. Save. Play. We are here. Save. Play. We're gonna go back to the thing. Maybe they don't live between the scripts after all. They should. We are here. Okay, so that, I mean, that's right. Yeah, we are here. Just not kicking off the script. Even play. Mage bot tamer. Maybe it doesn't like the fact that it has the slash in it. I'm gonna try to do the whole hotkey and we'll see if that works. Play script mage bot tamer. We're gonna take this whole thing. And instead we're gonna say hotkey my script. And then inside of the tamer, we're gonna name it this. Play script magebot tamer. I don't know if this is gonna work or not. Save and play. So we're on the new magebot tamer. Great. I'm gonna hit stop there. We're gonna go back over to here, put crook away, and save and play. We are here, new magebot. Okay. So now we've created a way. Again, this isn't dynamic or anything, but in theory, we should now be able to play the different tamer, and then it should just kick off whatever was last. So let's see. Where was it? Magebot. I'm gonna go like this. This was just magebot. Okay. So if I'm over here and I press P on my keyboard, this is the... Oh, it says newer magebot, but it's not actually newer magebot. This is the old magebot. Okay, save and play. This is the old magebot. It's running, it's looping. I'm gonna hit Alt-M on my keyboard, which sends me home. And then we're gonna run Control-Shift-O, which puts away my loot. Then it will kick off the old magebot code. Perfect. So now we're on the old magebot. Oh man. So in theory, if you want to return to your script from your other script, you just got to do something like this. Hopefully that's helpful. I don't know if it is or not, but the main thing I wanted to do is I wanted to make a hotkey for me to open up corpses. Also, in my recall script, which is R on my keyboard, let me do greater than hotkeys here. What the hell's R? R is testing recall next rune. So put away script. I'm actually going to remove this because I don't care about that in this particular one. But in my recall next one, which is under testing. What did I say it was? Recall next rune. On this guy, it currently says that, hey, if your name is Jaseowns, then play the magebot script. Well, sometimes I was playing the different one, okay? And so I'm actually just going to check for my previous script first, and then I'll exit out of this logic, and I won't ever get here. Okay, so I'm going to hit 1 on the keyboard. This is the newer magebot. I'm going to hit R on the keyboard, which should recall us. And then I'm going to tap, and I'm in the new magebot, which is great. So now we're in the new magebot without having to edit something. I wonder if I should clear it after we do it. Okay, and we're gonna do one more recall with R, and it should kick off our regular bot code again. Newer mage bot code. R on the keyboard. Yeah, newer mage bot. Boom, guys. Alright, so now I'm gonna hit P on the keyboard just so we can get the old mage bot playing. This is the old one. And then when I do recall with R, it should kick off the old mage bot. R on the keyboard. Old mage bot. Let's go. I don't want old mage bot, I want the new one. I hit 1 on the keyboard now. Newer mage bot. Thoughts, comments, opinions. Is this cool? Would anybody use that? Does anybody like that idea? You think it's dumb? Is that a harvest core? Oh my god, somebody didn't loot a harvest core, guys. Somebody didn't loot a harvest core. Let's go. I'm banking that shit. Always check corpses. Somebody's AFK farming and they don't know how to loot. Thank you, AFK farmer that doesn't know how to loot. I accept your offerings. I say always check bones, but apparently you gotta always check the corpses too. Anyway, sometimes I don't open the corpse, and I kind of want to make a, these all tamed, I assume. I kind of want to make a, open corpse script, which then would kick off whatever's playing again. Do you guys drop loot or anything? They don't. Okay. You dead to me. R on the keyboard. People out here. R on the keyboard. Jace, are you AFK farming? I don't know. You'll never know. You can't see my face. Got a skill scroll. Item ID. Let's go. Just in time for that thing to spawn. Anyway, if you're wondering how I'm getting around so quickly, I'm hitting R on my keyboard. What's R, Jace? It's this one. R. You made these. In theory, maybe I should update it to play this example. Boom, updated. People not looting shit. Got all my shit. Hashtag chill stream. Guys are doing a map. Picked up that tank. I have a problem. Your mage bot, is it still beta? Yeah. It's not done at all. And it's just for the tamers. It doesn't do any summoning or anything. It's, you know, it's on my list. But the thing that we just did right now is I've added a little thing to the top of the script. So my my recall script, which is on the website, R in the keyboard, it says, hey, does list exist Jaseowns previous script? And then if so, run the previous script. So then in my mage code, at the very top, I set the previous script as whatever script I'm playing. And so then, for example, in my other mage bot, I do old mage bot, okay? So, for example, I'll hit P on my keyboard, which is for the old mage bot. So we're fighting. Running the old mage bot code. Which is still plenty fine. Yeah, the new mage bot isn't that much better. Okay, so now we're gonna hit R on the keyboard, and so I'm recalling to my next rune, but it's gonna kick off. I need to stop fighting. R on the keyboard. R on the keyboard. Anyway, so it automatically kicks off the old mage bot. So now we're still playing the... Even though I played another script, it just goes back to the previous one I was playing based on the name of the script. So now I can hit 1 on my keyboard, switching to the newer mage bot. And then if I hit R on my keyboard and I run this other code, then it just runs my newer mage bot. So whatever I was running last. Sintamar, hello. Time for a giveaway. LOL, stick. R on the keyboard, P on the mouse, 1 on the numpad, and 3 IRL. Welcome back to the stream. So anyway, I think this is a clever way to return to your previous script. Hashtag very clever, Jace. Freshly slain bear cub. What the hell's that? I gotta see what's on the corpse. What's on the corpse? Just 20 gold. Chase, you ever do any info on needed keybinds for new players? I didn't make any progress on that. It's on my list. But you hate lists. It's so true. I should stop saying that. That's a joke I had with my dad. Is anytime I needed to do something, I'd say it's on my list. It's kind of like getting a Texas driver's license. You're supposed to get one within like 10 days of moving here. It took me 5 years to get a license. And every time I talked to my dad, he would like, "Did you get your license today?" And I'm like, "No." So in his honor, since he's gone, I got my license. Are you happy now, Pa? Son of a bitch. Yeah, how do I be accountable? I don't know. I'm we said at the beginning of the stream, I have either some type of problem where I need help. Because I want to do everything and nothing. I want to do all of it, and I want to do nothing. Super excited about shit, and then I'm just, fuck this. You know? You hiding black eyes? Yeah, black eyes. I've been crying. I want you guys to see my puppy eyebrows. This stream website enabled? No, the website's turned off. We're packing up. I'm taking my scripts elsewhere. Website? Yeah, ADHD? Maybe. Depression? Yeah. Like all of it. All the above. These poor silverbacks stuck with this frog. Let me release their spirits. Also, I got all this loot on me. I should probably go drop off this loot. I have 15k on me. My goodness. We're gonna hit Alt-M on the keyboard. Going back home. Control-Shift-O on the keyboard. We're gonna put that loot away. And if you look in my bags, you'll notice that things semi got organized. We didn't finish the armor pieces. Snort Litterland? Yeah, that's pretty much. You can keep trolling, it's okay. So as you can see, we got all sorts of loot sorted. Greater Undead Slang. Well, these are power. Kind of fucked up the power part. Anyway. Wow. Where's my spell book? Right here? Wow. Apparently had a whole bunch of slang. Lesser slang. I got lesser slang for days, guys. I should probably recycle the lesser slang. As a matter of fact, Slayer Lessing. Lessering. Which one was it? Oh my golly gee willikers. 20. There we go. There's some supremely's. And exceedingly, that's better. I had 20 lesser slang spell books. Should I keep those? Wait, force? Lesser slang? Are these worth anything? I don't know if those are worth anything. Anyway, I stream every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. 7 to 9. It's 9. 9 o'clock. Thanks for joining me on this no cam stream. We're gonna raid Boo Whip. He's out here playing. He's out here saying, "What's up, website?" Anyway, if you're not in the Discord, join the Discord. Thanks for hanging out. Sorry it's a depressing stream, but you know, it is what it is. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. YouTube.com/Jaseowns. Twitch.tv.com/Jaseowns. Jaseowns.com. I still hate lists. Lists suck. Enjoy Boo Whip. He's playing. We're raiding Boo Whip. He's playing. It's not just a ambiance stream. It might still be. Anyway, see you guys. Peace.